Hi there! This tutorial will walk you through how to use the Google extension Awesome Screenshot, and will show you how to use that tool to annotate the rubrics in some of your classes. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Google account. In the upper right hand corner you'll see these three bars. Click on those bars, scroll down to Settings, and then over on the left hand side click on Extensions. If you haven't installed any extensions, you won't see this long list. What you'll see near the top is Get More Extensions. You'll click on that. In the search bar, type in Awesome Screen Capture. I've already installed it, so it's asking me to rate it. If you haven't installed it yet, the icon would be blue and it would have a little plus sign here and would say free. So go ahead and install that Awesome Screen Capture. It will ask you, are you sure you want to add it? Click on Add. And then in the upper right hand corner, you'll see a little icon there. That's how you know it's been installed. You'll use that extension to help you annotate the rubrics in your classes. So on the home page of each class, on the right hand side, you'll see rubrics. I've opened up the rubric URL in a new tab, and I'm going to click on Awesome Screenshot. I'll capture the entire page, and now it opens my rubric here. I have a toolbar across the top that will let me annotate. So I'm going to self-reflect and evaluate the essays for my unit. So I'll look over here at the thesis and read the descriptors in each column. If I think that my claim is unclear or doesn't contain a stance, I would highlight here in the D column. Hopefully, before you turn your work in, this little evaluation would prompt you to go back and revise, fix your essay, and actually write a thesis that has a claim. Then you would come back and you would evaluate it here where it is after your revision. You'll do the same thing for development and cohesion. This is the part that asks you, did you use good examples? Do you have good analysis? Maybe I think I have pretty good examples, but my explanation and analysis is just okay. You can highlight part in the B column and part in the C column. I'm going to do that for each of the categories on my rubric, and then I'll click on Done, and I'm going to copy it to the clipboard. Then I'll go to my Google Doc where I've done all of my activities, and I'll paste it. And here it is in my Google Doc. So that when I, as your teacher, go in and look at all of your work, the very last thing that I'll see on your Google Doc is your rubric with the annotations. You also need to do the same thing for the activities. So you'll go back to the home page and open up the rubric for activities. Click on Awesome Screen Capture again. Capture the entire page. This time I'm going to click on the little A because I want to be able to write activity numbers here. So let's say that I'm evaluating my discussions, and there's two discussions in my unit. Activity 4 and Activity 7 are both discussions. If I think that my Activity 4 is B quality, it's complete and thoughtful, I would type a 4 for Activity 4 in that column. And maybe I think my discussion number Activity 7 isn't all that great, so I would say in the C column, that's Activity 7. You'll do the same thing for all of the other activities in your unit. Just type them up, separate them by commas, okay, etc. Click on Done, click on Copy, go back to my Google Doc, paste it in. Then, since you're ready to turn this document in, you're going to download it as a PDF, and then you'll go into the Dropbox to Haiku and upload it to the Dropbox for that unit. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and of course ask your teacher if you have any questions. Thanks.